can't make any sense out of your library. When was the last time you organized this place?
What are you waiting for? Let's get to work.
Just a few more self-help books to go with the others.
Huh?
Oh, wow!
Belle, are you okay?
I'm fine. Whew. I've only got my shelf to blame.
Ugh.
Phew, I think that's the last of the first editions.
This one is slipping. Allow me.
No!
Huh?
For the sake of the books, maybe you could give us some light to work by?
Ah, oui. I always have been one to light up a room.
You have so many fairy tales here. How do I sort them? By distance of kingdoms? Epic level of sword fights? Charmingness of princes? Done.
How exactly did you sort them?
I put all the ones with happy endings here.
Mine are in order from tallest to shortest.
I sorted mine by color, dear.
I thought it best to place the ugliest ones so that nobody could see them.
I love it! It can be our mystery pick section. I declare this library organized! Great work, everybody! Biographies are over on the south wall, and adventure stories are high up here, nearly out of reach. It's perfect. And I made this shelf just for you.
What's this section?
Anger management.
What? Oh.